I was thinking before I head on to Beaver Trail, which is right back there, there's actually this really cool entrance just on the side of the road. So I thought I would go ahead and show that first before we get onto the trail. But look at that. It just goes in kind of like a little magical path out over here. That was all of Beaver Trail, and my legs are pretty tired. I spent pretty much the whole day walking around this area. The sun is setting now, and it's about time to go home and call it a day. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. It's a turkey!